Hi, hey guys, this is Sean Lattiser, and I'm gonna be doing a waterfall painting. So let's begin. So what we're doing, we wanna do something a waterfall, and right, we were talking about it, and we want to do it. So let's do it. So I just thought, just go back, little doing X's, and it's going to be so much fun because you can do this really quick. Then now, alright, now we're gonna actually dry this really quick because we want to make it look really good. We want to make our painting look good. So what we are doing right now, we want it nice and dry. Oops. We want it nice and dry, so when we do a painting, we want it nice and dry. So the next thing that we're going to be using, it's going to be a flat brush. So what I'm going to do, put these in our pockets. Make sure you have some paper towels, because you're going to be doing a lot of colors and dry and all that. So let's get in our painting. So it's gonna tell us how. See, I can put in I can do like a. So what I'm doing is you always want to do it, just make sure it looks like a kind of like a bush. And why I'm doing that is what I'm doing is gonna make this we're gonna make this little painting look good. Why I'm doing this, right? Why I'm doing this, because we wanted to make it look so real. So we're just gonna take some white and maybe in a touch of yellow, a touch of yellow. It's too a little bit. So now we're gonna get into our painting. So we're just dotting it in, right? We're not really doing that hard, right? And we're trying to make our our grass. And the way that I do that is to make everything look real. So maybe I should put some yellow in there, and all right. See, we don't want it really full. All right. So now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna make some clouds. So our clouds, right? Our clouds is gonna be really nice. You want to pat it up like this. Just pat it like really good, and you'll have a good tip. So you're just gonna pat it, right? You're just gonna pat it, and it should make a. And you're just gonna go on the other side. In this painting, we're just gonna be doing only 2 clouds, right? Now we're gonna take a round. We're just gonna take a round brush. A round brush, and we're just going to go around the circles, trying not to get into the green. And we're doing this, then it'll make our clouds fluffy. There we go. Now we want to dry all that. We want to dry it really good. If you will, you'll see now the way I'm gonna make a waterfall, and the way that I'm gonna show you guys is a very, very easy waterfall, and people go, I can't do that, it's too hard. But if it's try this one. You guys will like it, and it'll be a piece of cake. So that's the way that we're gonna have to paint this. Now, for the fun part, we're going to, so this tape right here, we're just going to pull it off. See, there's your sky and your bushes, and that's how we're going to be doing it. Now, we need our black. So we're going to want to do, in case I need that black. We're going to get a different brush. Maybe we'll just use this one. So you gotta look for a flat brush, okay? Okay, let's do our waterfall. Or if you have an apron, you can go like this to your brush. So all we're gonna do, go right in the middle, and you're just gonna paint down, right? You're gonna paint down. So when you do that, right? All right. So now we're gonna come on this side. All right. We're just gonna come on this side, and yes, just gonna push down, right? Then you're gonna come on the other side. Then you're just gonna push down, right? Now let's get some more black and do this line. And what we're gonna do now, we're gonna actually fill that in, right? We're gonna actually fill this in with our black now. So what I'm doing is we're doing a solid rock, and it's gonna look very it's gonna look pretty good. And when it's gonna look pretty good, it's gonna look woo. It's gonna look amazing. So I might have to do a second coat of the one, right? But it's gonna look very, very good. Alright. Now we're gonna actually dry this really good. We're gonna actually do this really good. So hopefully we don't have to, I don't think we'll have to put second coat. We're gonna dry this really good. And you're gonna think within your mind, do a painting like this. I could tell you kind of stuff that what's in my mind. What's in my mind is when I look at a painting and I go, okay, in my mind I like to hear waterfalls coming down. And this is like the easiest waterfall that you can ever do. Maybe we'll do another coat. So we're just gonna have some fun. It doesn't mean to give up. You gotta try, because if you didn't try, how you know oh, here. I have to